Today you are going to learn how to graph a parabola. So here we have the equation y equals x squared. Let's say x is -3. We'll then do -3 squared, which means -3 times -3, which is 9. And that really bugs me, so I'm going to quickly edit the font here. Okay. All right, that means we also need to plot a point at -3, 9. So it's a coordinate pair. So I'm going to take the first dot, start at the origin. I'm going to go over to -3, hop on the elevator, and go up to the 9th floor. All right, then if x is equal to -2, I'm going to do -2 squared. -2 times -2 is 4. So I'm going to graph that point. Starting at the origin, I'm going to go over to -2, up 4. Then if x is -1, -1 times -1 is +1. So to graph that, start at the origin, go over to -1, hop on the elevator, and go up 1. If x is 0, 0 times 0 is 0. So we'll put the next dot at the origin. If x is 1, 1 times 1 is 1. So this dot, we go over 1, up on the elevator, 1. And then if x is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So we'll go over 2, up 4. And if x is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. So starting at the origin, go over 3, up to 9. Once you have all the points plotted, you're going to click on this line button right here, or the drop down arrow next to it, and you're going to select curve. You're going to click on each point, but when you get to the last point, you are going to double click, and that will end your line. Feel free to change the color of the line and the thickness of the line if you want to. So there is a parabola, and this line would keep on going forever and ever, but just for the sake of technology, we're not going to put arrows on both ends. All right, so you are going to go through and graph each of these. Each one has something slightly different with the equation. So like this one has +1. After you graph it, compare the pictures to see how it is different from this one. Okay, the first few also start with x squared. Then you end up getting one that has a 2 in the front. So see how that one compares to this one, okay? Because once you get to the mastery check, it's going to kind of tell you to compare things. All right, that's about it.